This video will show you how to connect your Hero device to Wi-Fi. Your device can send readings to your doctor through Wi-Fi or cellular service. It automatically connects to cellular service if it's available, but using Wi-Fi at home helps it stay connected to the internet every day. If the device does not detect a cellular network, it will ask you to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Prior to setting up Wi-Fi on your Hero device, locate and write down your Wi-Fi network name and password. If you cannot find it, call your internet service provider for assistance. To set up Wi-Fi, click on the three lines in the top left corner, then select the settings menu shown by the gear. Then select Connection. Follow the prompts to set up your Wi-Fi connection. Turn on the Wi-Fi and toggle to let your Hero device find your network. When it's on, the toggle will turn green. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter the network password. Press the Join button on the screen. Please note the Hero device will not be able to connect to open networks or networks that require a browser to connect, such as hotel networks.